Hi everyone, in this video lecture we are going to learn about describing graphs. So in your schools your teacher may taught you how to draw graphs with the help of a mathematical calculations, and while you are watching cricket in the television channels they are showing the cricket run rates in the form of a graph. So it is easy for us to understand what about the run rates of a team. Like that, in this video we are going to learn about how to describe graphs. So describing graphs. Okay, let's enter into the topic. Here this is the example of bar chart. So in this graph we are they are showing the data in the form of bars in different colors. So this is a bar chart. This is a pie chart. So here also in this graph also they are showing the datas, the informations in different forms, in different colors, the percentage wise. So it is a form of a pieces. So like that it is a pie chart. Now this one is the line graph. So mostly you can draw these kinds of graphs in your school days or in your college days and all. So like that this is a line graph with horizontal and vertical lines. We are based on the lines only, we are just calculating the numbers. So based on the information or the data we are drawing a graph by a line format. So this is called a line graph. Here I am showing you this is an table. So you can convey your datas or informations in the form of graph wise like a table or column also. So this is also one form of just showing or describing your graph in a picture way. Here this is the form of flow chart. So points one by one, so downwards direction, the step 1, step 2, step 3, it is like that. It is showing that the graphs like that's what it is doing, what it happens like this. Now we will see the upward trend. For example, language wise, how we have, what are the words we have to use for the upward trend. For example, upward trend means the data or else the percentages are in upward direction means. So how, what are the words you have to use? It is simple. The examples I have given you all. The examples are go up, increase, rise, like this. So these are the words that you have to use while you're describing the upward trends in your graph. Now let's see the downward trend. For downward trend, what are the words we can use? The examples are go down, decrease, dip, like this. So these are the words you have to follow while you're describing downward trend. Here you are having a few extra words for you people. The examples are level off and fluctuate, like this, double. So these are the words, extra words for you people while you are describing your graphs. In cases there is a fluctuations means it is for example high and low, it is like that. So fluctuate you can see even in your for example even cricket run rates also, sometimes it may be in high run rate, sometimes it may be in low, suddenly it becomes low. So like that, fluctuations, high and low, just it is not the same level, it is just changing. So this is what is fluctuating like this. So the next one is the word combinations. The word combinations, the examples are reach a peak, reach record, high, like this. So this is what are the word combinations. With the combination of words you can describe your graph. It depends upon the situation or depends upon the data, you can use it. So can go through these points and make it in your mind clearly. Next one is the adjectives and the adverbs. For while you are describing a graph, so what are the adjectives and what are the adverbs we can know? For example, if you are using the word sharp, you can use that adverb as sharply, and it is for a like that, it is dramatic, dramatically, substantial, steps, substantially, like that. So these are the adjectives. This is the form of adjectives and adverbs you can use it describing a graph. Here for also you are having some few extra words, account for, like that, make up, like this. So these are the examples for the combinations and all these things and all. And let's see the prepositions. So here you have different forms of prepositions you can use. Here I has given you the examples. Verb plus by percentage. For that I has given you a sentence with an example. The next one is verb plus from to. So for that also I has given you an example. And the noun plus in Smith. So for this also you have an example. So go through these examples and you just start writing your own examples while you are preparing to describe a graph. In this also I'm has given you some prepositions forms. Noun plus of with a question mark of percentage, and the next one is stand plus at plus a question mark. So these are the forms that you can use with your prepositions. Okay, so to describe a graph. Here I am showing that approximations. While you are describing a graph, so how for approximate data, approximately the informations and all, so you can use the wordings so to describe that. So that is what you have few examples are here. So kindly for example around 5000 rounds, like this. So kindly go through these examples and while you are preparing, keep it in your just reference, keep it as a reference for you people. And here are the verbs. The examples are this is a graph which describes or else which demonstrate, which reflects, which illustrates, which shows, like so. These are the verbs you have to follow while you are describing a graph. Here useful phrases for you people. The examples are as you can see, and you will notice that, like this. So these are the examples for you people. These phrases will help you while you are describing your graphs. So now I hope all of you understood how to describe a graph. So kindly go through the video oftenly, and while you're preparing to describe a graph, make the points from this video and use it as a reference before describing a graph in your meeting. Thank you for watching.